Stop scrolling. Seriously. 4 years, we've watched the megapixel wars cool down. We've enjoyed the refinement. We thought we knew what the next generation would look like. We were wrong. Because what I have today isn't just a leak. It's a blueprint. It's the classified roadmap for the most anticipated, and possibly the most disruptive, camera of the decade. We're talking about the ghost in the machine, the Sony A7R VI. This isn't your average tech rumor mill. We're going deep. We're dissecting the patents, the whispers from the assembly lines, and the quiet moves Sony is making that tell a story they hoped would stay locked away. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're a professional photographer, a hybrid shooter, or just someone who demands the absolute pinnacle of image quality, you need to hear this. Because the A7R VI is not an evolution. It's a revolution. And if these specs are true, every single camera you own right now is about to feel very, very old. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly why your wallet should be terrified. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. For 4 years, we've lived with 61 megapixels. It's great. It's been the industry standard. But the A7R VI is ready to blow past it. The most solid intel we have points to an unthinkable 102 megapixel, stacked BSI CMOS sensor. Now, wait. Don't click away thinking, too many megapixels, too much noise. This isn't your grandfather's high-resolution sensor. The key word here is stacked. This is the technology that made the A1A9 series legends for speed. Sony is combining ultra-high resolution with a blisteringly fast readout speed of a stacked architecture. What does that mean for you? It means you can crop with abandon, print billboards, and still shoot 10 frames per second RAW without the buffer choking. The noise performance at high ISO is rumored to be one full stop better than the A7R VI, a feat of engineering that defies physics, or at least conventional wisdom. Imagine having the detail of medium format with the speed and form factor of a full-frame mirrorless. We're talking about an effective resolution of over 12,000 pixels wide. The files will be massive, yes, but the creative freedom? Limitless. This is the #1 reason every professional should be paying attention. But resolution is nothing without focus. And this is where the A7R VI takes a gigantic, terrifying leap into the future. Sony is not just refining its AI-based real-time tracking, they're building a new brain for the camera. We're hearing whispers of a dedicated, secondary AI processing unit. Think of it as a separate, purpose-built chip just for tracking and recognition. The current system recognizes eyes, bodies, and vehicles. The A7R VI is rumored to introduce subject-specific pre-recognition. It will recognize objects like specific bird species, insects, complex machinery, and even the difference between a football and a rugby ball. This is beyond tracking. It's an intelligent prediction. What does this mean in the field? No more hunting for a focus point. You frame the shot, and the camera knows what you want to focus on. For sports and wildlife shooters, this is the ultimate game changer. Imagine a camera that can predict the exact moment a bird takes flight and nails the focus before you even press the shutter. This is the level of computational photography we are about to enter. It's an A9 in an R body. It's insane. Now, let's talk about video, because the A7R VI is set to completely disrupt the hybrid market. Everyone expected 8K, and yes, it's here. But it's not just any 8K. The rumor is 8K/30p, oversampled from the 102 megapixel sensor, with a 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording limit. That's broadcast quality, straight to the card. No external recorder needed for stunning 8K images. But the real industry-shaking feature, the one that should terrify Canon and Nikon, is the rumored 6K full-width oversampling up to 60 frames per second. 6K, oversampled, at 60p, with a rumored new codec providing incredible efficiency. This gives filmmakers a razor-sharp, high frame rate option with zero crop. And of course, professional color profiles like S-Cinetone and a new, enhanced S-Log3 are mandatory. Forget overheating. The leaks suggest a passive thermal management system that has been entirely re-engineered. This is the direct result of lessons learned from the A7R VI and the A7S III. This camera is built to handle the heat of long-form, high-resolution recording. If you shoot corporate video, documentaries, or cinematic content, the A7R VI is about to become your new gold standard for resolution and cinematic punch. Now for the refinements that make the day-to-day difference. The A7R VI finally brought a world-class screen, the 4-axis multi-angle LCD. We expect that to remain, but with a significant bump in brightness and resolution. But look at the body. The leaks suggest a subtle but noticeable ergonomic improvement. A deeper grip, better weight distribution, and a slight relocation of the joystick. These are the details that matter when your hand holding a massive lens for hours. The EVF is getting a major overhaul. We're talking about a 9.44 million dot resolution EVF with a class-leading 1.0x magnification. It won't just look like an optical viewfinder, it will feel like one, offering a stunning, immersive view that minimizes eye strain during long shoots. And finally, the buffer. With 102 megapixels, this is a make-or-break feature. The rumor is dual CF Express Type A slots, a non-negotiable requirement for handling these file sizes at high frame rates. Sony is rumored to have designed a new memory controller chip to specifically prevent the camera from ever locking up, even when firing off massive bursts of 102 MP raw images. This is the most professional, most reliable R-series camera ever made. So, here's the million-dollar question. When is it coming, and how much will this monster cost? Based on the supply chain leaks, component ordering, and the typical Sony product cycle, the official announcement is highly likely to be in early 2026, possibly around CES or a dedicated spring event. The camera body is expected to be on shelves by summer of 2026. This gives you plenty of time to save your pennies. And for the price, the A7R VI debuted at $3,900. Given the revolutionary 102 MP stack sensor and the dedicated AI chip, the A7R VI is highly speculated to shatter that price point. We are looking at a US launch price, likely in the range of $4,999 to $5,199. Yes, that's a professional-grade investment, but for a camera that effectively replaces medium format for many professional use cases, it's a bargain. The Sony A7R VI is not just an upgrade, it's a technological statement. It's Sony drawing a line in the sand and telling the industry, we are the masters of the sensor. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these leaked features excites you the most? Is it the 102 megapixels, the next-gen AI autofocus, or the thermal-managed 8K video? Let me know in the comments below. And if this information was valuable, hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss our next deep dive into the camera world's darkest secrets. Files will be massive, yes, but the creative freedom? Limitless. This is the #1 reason every professional should be paying attention. But resolution is nothing without focus. And this is where the A7R VI takes a gigantic, terrifying leap into the future. Sony is not just refining its AI-based real-time tracking, they're